Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well.
In this video, we will learn IMO Olympiad 2019 paper for class 5. There are 4 sections. Today we will solve section 2 mathematical reasoning and remaining last 2 sections we will complete in next video. For logical reasoning, please watch section 1. Link is given in description. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with second section mathematical reasoning, question number 16. Find the sum of common prime factors of 168 and 315. So we first find out the prime factorization of 168. Here 168 is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. Now here 84 also divisible by 2. 42 also divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now 21 is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21 and 7 is divisible by 7. 7 1s are 7. Now we find out the prime factorization of 315. Sum of 315 is 9, so it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, then 0 and 3 5s are 15. Now 105 also divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 remaining, then 15, 3 5s are 15. Now 35 is divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35 and 7 is divisible by 7. So common factors are 3 and 7 and we have to find out the sum of common prime factors. So 3 plus 7 is 10. So here A is correct answer. Question number 17, find the missing value. Here we first solve the bracket and then division and then this. So here 0.2 into 5.6 is equal to 1.12 and 3.75 divided by 3 is equal to 1.25 and 13 divided by 20 will give 0.65 and 1.25 minus 1.12 is equal to 0.13 plus 0.65 and their sum will give 0.78. So here left hand side is 0.78 is equal to 1 plus question mark into 1 by 2. Now here 2 is in denominator, this side it will come in numerator. So 0.78 into 2 is equal to 1 plus question mark. 0.78 into 2 is 1.56 is equal to 1 plus question mark. Now here 1 having plus sign, this sign it will become minus. So 1.56 minus 1 is equal to question mark and 1.56 minus 1 is equal to 0.56. A is correct answer. Question number 18, if ball divided by square is equal to 13 and 4 square is equal to 28, then what is the value of ball plus square? So here we first find out the value of square. Here 4 square is equal to 28. So 1 square is equal to 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. Now we put the value of square here. So ball divided by 7 is equal to 13. So ball is equal to 13 into 7 is equal to 91. Now here ball is 91 plus square is 7 is equal to 98. So here D is correct answer. Question number 19. Priya drove from Mumbai to Goa as per the time shown in the clocks. For how long did she drive? So here time showing in first clock is 6:15 and in second clock is 2:45. So we convert this into 24 hours. 245 means 1445. So duration of journey is 1445 minus 615 means 830. So duration of journey is equal to 8 hours 30 minutes. C is correct answer. Question number 20. Poonam starts walking from point C and reaches point I while walking to the point D, E, F, G, H. If she moves only in east, north and south direction, then how many minimum number of times did she make 90-degree turns? So she start from C and she take only east, north and south direction. So she will go like this: D, then E, then F, then G and then H and I. So she will make this 190-degree, second, third and fourth. So 4 right angle form. So here B is correct answer. Question number 21. How many of the shape of given figure must be shaded so that 2/5 of figure is unshaded? Here total number of shapes are 25. Out of 25 shapes, 2/5 figures unshaded means 25 into 2/5. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25 and 5 into 2 is 10 means 10 figures are unshaded. So shaded figures is equal to what? 25 minus 10 is equal to 15. So number of shapes should be shaded is equal to 15. C is correct answer. Question number 22. In the morning, the room temperature was 27 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours, it had gone up by 7 degrees Celsius. And then after 3 hours, it had gone down by 5 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature after 5 hours? So morning temperature was 27 degrees Celsius. And after 2 hours, it had gone up. Gone up means plus by 7 degrees Celsius. And then after 3 hours, it had gone down. Gone down means minus and by 5 degrees Celsius means minus 5. Here 7 minus 5 is 2 means 27 plus 2 is 29 degrees Celsius. Temperature after 5 hours 29 degrees Celsius. C is correct answer. Question number 23. The given table shows Kavya's weight on the first day of each month from September to January. In which month did Kavya's weight increases the most? So here given the September weight, October weight, November weight, December weight and 1st January weight. So we first find out the difference of weight between 2 months. Here 25 minus 23.6 is 1.4. So she gained 1.4 kg in September. Then we find out the October-November difference. 26 minus 25 is 1. So she gained 1 kg in October. In November, 26.7 minus 26 means 0.7. She gained in November 0.7. Then in December, 27.2 minus 26.7 means 0.5. In December, she gained 0.5 kg. So in September only, Kavya's weight increases the most, 1.4 kg. So here A is correct. Question number 24. How many of the following letters do not have any line of symmetry? Here only letter R and K do not have any line of symmetry. Means 2 letters do not have any line of symmetry. B is correct answer. Question number 25. The line graph given below shows the number of cars Jatin sold over the past 5 weeks. If he got rupees 20,000 for every car sold, then what is the total amount he made over the past 5 weeks? In first week, he sold 2 cars. In second week, he sold 4 cars. In third week, he sold 3 cars.
In 4th week, he sold 6 cars. In 5th week, he sold 9 cars. Number of cars sold in the 5 weeks is equal to what? 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 24. And he got 20,000 for every car sold. Means for 24 cars, 20,000 into 24. 24 twos are 48 and this 40. So he got 4,80,000 rupees. So here C is correct answer. Question number 26. Find the value of P plus Q. Here from 1 there are 5 lines up to 2. So P represent 2 out of 5 second line, and here Q represents 3, total lines 5, and out of 5 4 lines, and we have to find out P plus Q. So here 2 into 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 by 5 plus here 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 by 5. Their denominator are same, so we can directly add. Here 12 plus 19 is 31. Now we convert this into mixed fraction. So 5 6 are 30 and 1 remaining. So here C is correct answer. Question number 27. Find the number which is 2529 more than the number shown on the abacus. On abacus, here 1, then 4, 1, 3, 0 and 2. So the number shown on abacus is 1,41,302. Now here we have to find out the number which is 2529 more than this number. Means this plus 2529, which gives 1,43,831. So here A is correct answer. Question number 28. What kind of angle is formed by the hands of the clock at 2:30 hours? So here this angle is more than 90 degree. Means it is obtuse angle. B is correct answer. Question number 29. On Monday, Himanshi walked 3/8 kilometer, while on Tuesday she walked 2/5 kilometer. How much more distance did she walk on Monday than on Tuesday? So on Monday she walked, here 4 into 8 is 32, 32 plus 3 35, 35 by 8, and on Tuesday she walked 17 by 5. Here we need to do subtraction, so their denominator are different. Find out the LCM of 8 and 5. LCM is 40, so we need to multiply by 5 here and here by 8. 35 into 5 is 175, 40, and 17 into 8 is 136. Here 8 into 5 is 40. Now their denominator are same. 175 minus 136 is 39. 39 by 40. So 39 by 40 kilometer more distance she walked on Monday than on Tuesday. So here D is correct answer. Question number 30. Which of the following Roman numerals shows the sum of smallest 4-digit number and greatest 3-digit number? So smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and greatest 3-digit number is 999, and their sum is 1999. So in Roman numerals, 1000 is M, 900 is CM, 90 is XC, and 9 is 1x. So here C is correct answer. Question number 31. Find the difference between the area of the given two figures. So here in first figure we make the two part. So this is 3 centimeter, so this is also 3 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. So area of one is length into breadth, means 3 into 5 means 15 centimeter. Now this area of second part is, this total length is 6 plus 3 9 centimeter, means this is 9 centimeter and this 5 centimeter, and area of second part is 9 into 5 means 45, means total area of figure is 60 square centimeter. Now here we make the two part of this figure, this one part and second part. Here first part area is length into breadth, means 7 into 4 is 28, and second part is this 3 centimeter, this 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter, means 11 centimeter, and 11 into 4 means 44, and total area is addition of two parts 72, so 72 square centimeter. And we have to find out the difference, means 72 minus 60 is 12 square centimeter, so their difference is 12 square centimeter. Here D is correct answer. Question number 32. In a given figure, QR is 3 by 5 as long as PR, and ST is equal to TU is equal to UV. So here given this QR is 3 by 5 as long as PR. PR is 60. So QR is equal to, here PR is 60 into 3 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 1 remaining, 5 twos are 10, and 12 into 3 is 36. So QR is equal to 36. This total length is 60. QR is 36, means PQ is 60 minus 36, 24. And here given UV is equal to UT is equal to ST, and this total length is 60. 60 is divided into equally into 3 parts, means UV is 20, TU is 20 and ST is 20. And here we have to find out the perimeter of PQUV, means addition of all these sides. So perimeter is equal to this 24 plus 18 plus this 20 and this 26, length of all sides. Addition of this will give 88. So perimeter of PQUV is 88 meter. D is correct answer. Question number 33. Which of the following squares must be unshaded so that PQ becomes the line of symmetry? If PQ is line of symmetry, then these two parts should be exactly similar. To make the PQ as a line of symmetry, this square 1 must be unshaded, because it is unshaded this side. So here A is correct answer. Number 34. Which of the following has the greatest value? Option A, 30 tens more than 50 hundreds. Here 30 tens is 30 into 10 means 300. More than 50 hundreds. 50 hundred means 50 into 100 means 5000. And 5000 more than means 5000 plus 300, which gives 5300. Option B, 70 ones more than 300 tens. Here 70 ones means 70 into 1, which gives 70, and 300 tens means 300 into 10, which gives 3000, and 3000 plus 70 is equal to 3070. Option C, 20 ones less than 30 tens. 20 ones means 20 and 30 tens means 30 into 10, which gives 300. Less than means minus 300 minus 20, which gives 280. And option 3, 60 hundred. 60 hundred means 60 into 100 means 6000. and 8000 less than 8000 means minus 6000, which gives 2000. So here which is the greatest value? 5300. So here A is correct answer. Question number 35. If a number m is multiplied by 16 and 989 is added, then the answer obtained is 2749. Find twice of the number m. So here given m is multiplied by 16 and then add 989, which gives answer 2749. So here we have to find out the value of m. So m into 16 is 16m is equal to, here 989 will become minus this side, so 16m is equal to, this will give 1760. So m is equal to 1760 divided by 16 is equal to 110, and we have to find out here twice of number m. Here m is 110 and twice means into 2, so it is equal to 220. So here B is correct answer.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video.
Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.